Hey everybody, my name is Denise and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to mix and apply a hair gloss treatment at home. I've used this hair gloss treatment, maybe this is my 5th time. The last time I did it was 3 months ago, so now I'm due to do it again. I do get good results from this. I'll share it with you, what works for me, and hopefully it works for you too. I'm going to show you exactly what I use. I use the Wella Demi-permanent hair color in 3N. For the developer, it's a 10 volume developer, which is the ColorCharm as well. And it does require you to do a 1:2 ratio. So that would be a 2 ounce in the color and 4 ounce in the developer. For me personally, for my hair, since I have short, fine, curly hair, I don't need the entire tube of this. So what I'm able to actually get 2 treatments out of this one color box. So I do 1 ounce of the color in 3N, and then I do the 2 ounces in the developer. What you'll also need is a mixing bowl. This one has the measurements, so I usually put the developer in first and then apply the color and mix it. Clips to be able to put in my hair to section it off. A pair of gloves, some Vaseline. It is a demi-permanent. It will add color to the hair, since it does cover up the grays. I use this to be able to make sure that it doesn't stain my skin. All right, so let's get started. First, I'm going to put my gloves on, measure out the developer to make sure that it's only 2 ounces. Bring it up here, mix in my color, and then begin mixing. Mix, mix, mix. What I do notice about this demi-permanent hair color is, since is it a gloss, besides just being able to cover up the little grays that I have, it also adds shine, so it's a win-win. The reason why I don't dye my hair, especially my roots, is because since it took me a long time to be able to get my natural curls back, because I've had, fortunately, years of color damage of wanting to color my hair all sorts of colors, it did change the texture of my curls. So now that I finally have my natural curls back, I'm trying to go as long as I can without having to actually dye my hair when it comes to my little grays. So I'd rather use a gloss treatment that will not only cover the little grays that I have, but also to add shine and not damage my hair. Okay, so this should be good as far as the mixing. So before I section off my hair, I'm going to first add Vaseline. So in case it does go on, it's not able to stain. And then I will do the back as well. I know when you're doing it yourself, trying to make sure that you don't dye your neck, it's hard to see. Okay, so that should be good. And now I'm going to section off my hair. So I am going to do 4 sections. So starting, going straight down in the middle. My hair looks crazy right now. And then I cut across this way to make this into 2. Take my first clip, clip the back, and twist this one. Okay, so now I have them into 4 sections. So starting with, I usually start with the front, and then I will go ahead and do each side and the back. So I'll take one piece like this. It's on the brush. And go in this way, as well as the other side. And what I do is I first start with the root, and then I'll go ahead and add some more onto my brush. That way I could be able to do from top to bottom for the rest of my hair. And use both my hands to be able to make sure it's rubbed through entirely of that piece. I feel that I still need more. So for example, here at the bottom, still kind of dry. So I make sure that I apply a little bit more throughout. And then I will go ahead and bring it over to the back like this, and continue to do so for the rest. Okay, so now that I'm done, at the end of applying onto each section, I do like to kind of massage through, make sure that it's really saturated, and then I will go ahead and clip, rinse out within 20 minutes. One thing I did want to mention is it sometimes could be confusing as to, do you apply it to dry hair? Do you apply it to damp hair? For this in particular, I did try one time applying it to damp hair, which is towel dried hair, and then I tried on dry hair. Personally, I found applying it to dry hair lasted longer for me. The last time when I did do the treatment, again, it was 3 months ago. Now that it's time to do it again, I felt that that's a pretty good, decent amount of time. It's worth it. Okay, so now I'm going to wait 20 minutes and then I will go ahead and rinse it out. Rinse it out with cool water. I will go ahead and shampoo, condition, style my hair, and then I will be right back to show you the end result. So stay tuned. So this is the end result. My hair is about 85% dry. I don't know, something about doing a hair gloss treatment makes me feel good, makes me feel brand new. My little grays are covered. My hair feels soft and shiny. I love it. I did go ahead and looked on the Sally Beauty website and see that they actually have a buy two, get one free going on right now for the Demi-permanent color. So if this is something you want to try, I would say definitely go for it. For me, it's worth it. I love it. This is, again, my 5th time using this treatment. So hopefully you like it as much as I do. I hope that you found this video helpful. What works for me, hopefully it could work for you. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and click the like button below and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. As always, be kind, especially to yourself. Thanks for watching. Bye, everybody.